JusticiLeague.com. Look at this.
Valencia.
How cool is this? This is the cool bus. Cool bus right here. Ooh-wee. This is Indonesian food. See? It says Journey Through Indonesia Fusion. Yes. How beautiful. Alright. I don't know what kind of food that is. Indonesian food. But it can't be bad. If it looks so cool like that. We have another fork. Journey Through Indonesia Fusion. I'm going to have to put that somewhere so we know what. Oh, here's some pictures. There we go. Oh, Thai iced tea. Okay. SBC regular French fries. Here's deluxe garlic French fries. Oh, here's a self-order kiosk. All right. Here's Brussels sprouts. Oh, shrimp meat goreng. Indonesian chow mein. Yummy. Tofu. Hello. I'm promoting your food truck.
Yeah. Sharon.
What's the name of your food truck, man? What's this?
Sharon.
Oh, it's Stop By Cafe. Okay, Borneo pulled beef. Oh, Lord, that looks great. What's this? Lemongrass fried chicken sandwich. Oh, this has got to be the place. Okay, we are at Stop By Cafe, Indonesian Fusion. There we go, www.stopbycafe.com. Oh, it's on Saucy Avenue. In Los Angeles. Lois Relkel, coming to you. Ladies of JusticiLeague.com. Comment, like, share, subscribe.